Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is it Worth It, y'all? And today we're going to come at you with some information that's post pantry challenge and to give you an update of what we're going to do moving forward. Greg and I enjoyed the pantry challenge so much that we are now going to move into our phase of the pantry challenge. It's a little less rigid, but we still believe that we need to work through our pantry staples. So as we start to plant seeds and get the garden ready for the next canning season, we have realized that we have way too much stored up and we need to get through that. So our rules moving forward for the pantry challenge is we are going to update you on Thursdays every week for kind of like a what's for dinner kind of thing. And we're going to keep you posted on what we're doing consumption wise, probably once every 8 weeks again. But we feel like we're going to have to stick to our guns in a pantry challenge for a lot longer than just 2 months. Now, our rules are going to change. We are going to give ourselves 2 nights a month date night where we get to go to a restaurant and pick out anywhere we want to go and order whatever we want. So that's going to be our little treat to ourselves. So 2 date nights a month. And then the rest of the time, we are really going to focus on using our pantry staples. So we need to rotate through some specific items, and we're going to do that. So the other rules that we're going to give ourselves is we are only going to purchase fresh produce and milk at the grocery store because we have a ton of cheese. And if you didn't watch our End of the Pantry Challenge update, we went through a ton of cheese and we still have a ton left. So the goal is by the end of April, actually that's not even realistic. By the end of May, we are going to have our third of 3 reach in freezers empty because we are looking to purchase a half of a beef and a whole hog. So because it's middle of March, so that'll give us a little over 8 weeks to knock out the rest of that freezer. We are not going to purchase in bulk anything that has to be frozen from this point forward. So that rules for me basically. So no more stocking up. We've got to get that freezer empty so we have room to purchase that beef and we have room to purchase that hog. So that is our update for this next phase of our own pantry challenge. So we are still going to update you on Thursdays and we will still bring you what we're eating. And we are going to continue to focus on recording our consumption because we feel like that was the biggest lesson learned of the whole entire process. So that is our update, and thank you for your patience. I have been battling vertigo for a while now and it sucks. So like, comment, subscribe, and until we see you on the next video, bye y'all.